Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delivery challan in Tally ERP 9. First, understand that a delivery challan is a document used to accompany goods during transit, especially when the sale invoice is not yet issued. It helps in tracking inventory movement and ensures accountability. We will cover the entire process, from enabling the feature to printing your final document, in just a few simple steps. To begin, you must first activate the necessary features within Tally ERP 9. From the gateway of Tally, press the F11 key to access the Company Features menu. Then, select Inventory Features. Here, you will find options to enable use tracking numbers and use delivery and receipt notes. Ensure both are set to Yes to proceed with creating your delivery challans effectively. Now, let's create the delivery challan. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Vouchers. Press Alt plus F8 to select the Delivery Note voucher type. You will then enter the party's name, select the items being dispatched, specify the quantity, and input the tracking number. This ensures accurate record keeping and smooth inventory management for every transaction. Once all the details are accurately entered, simply accept the voucher to save your delivery challan. Tally ERP 9 provides options to print the challan directly or export it in various formats, such as PDF, for easy sharing. Always double-check all information before saving and printing to maintain precise records and ensure seamless operations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.